Manipur ki Governor La Ganesan ngasi Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS ki anouba block the leiriba Dental College block loinana anouba Modular Operation Theatre hangdokhre thoramadu the Governor na faculty members sing loinana non-teaching staff singa suwari shanaduna makoina thingnariba khudongcha da basing kari lei amadi leirabadi maki maiketi ki yengshin me yawe yengsingani haina thajaba piki RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokiba ngasi ki thoramadu da awang nongpok state singi manungda RIMS ase India ki khwaidi ki faba medical institute singi manungda chada yankhai COVID-19 की pandemic matam da RIMS की doctor nurse amadi staff singna achoba thodang lawtuna miyoi kya ki punsi kan mangam ki dental college asigi matang da palladuna governor na haujikti ya gi problem sing masing hengalakli Urban की मफम सिंह द मियोई लिसिंग कुनगा तरुक्लोम लेबदा यागी डॉक्टर हाइबडी डेंटिस्ट अमखक लई अदुगा खुंगंगी जगहदना मियोई लाख अहुम लेबगी मनुंगदा डेंटिस्ट अमखक लैनरी मरम असना हौजिकती या यिंगबा डॉक्टर सिंह हाइबडी डेंटिस्ट की मसिंग हेनगना बहोनबा यामना मथौ तारे हाइबा वाफम गवर्नर ला गणेशन ngasi thoram adu da thamki
India has more than 250 dental institutions producing 50,000 to 20,000 BDS graduates every year. We are selecting 50 dentists every year, I hope so. There has been phenomenal expansion in the facilities for professional education, medical, dental, and technical management, etc. In the expanded professional education, we have today a large number of privately run and self-financial institutions operating in different parts of our country. There is a very good scope. And new entrepreneurs should venture into this field. The mission of this institute is to educate and impart knowledge to students, train them in the clinics, and thereby render good service and care.
ngasi ki thoramadu da sarugya ki RIMS ki director professor A Santina RIMS ki infrastructure amadi academic front da ahuma kya purak ngamle haina phongtokhe laing balak ki bana ba mioi singi damak hiram kya da changda ba ayeng mal gi changsu hanta handuna institute asina mahiroi sing takpi tambi pata natara mioi kya kanana ba thabak clip tana chathari haiki
and this was recently installed. We have another CT scan in the emergency also. Right now we have 3 CT scan, and this is the thing. And we are very, very fortunate that just want to sir, the Mirabai has got the gold medal again in the Commonwealth, and she inaugurated our arthroscopy machine equipment in the sports medicine. And we always wanted to wish her always success, and we are always proud of her. And we wanted to be associated with this our sports medicine. This is the day when she came, and she was very happy that we have that advanced arthroscopy for a sports person. At the same time, we also invited the Susila hockey player. She inaugurated our eco machine for cardiology and Holter also.